Howdy gang, Prep Rebel here. Well, you've seen this view before, and you've seen my gardens, all my plants, and this is where my herb garden is right now. There, and down here a little bit, and in my potato forest. But what you haven't seen is this. This is my new deck area. I've got 10 feet added on here today, and I've still got to screw some of the boards down, but it's coming. And well, I'll tell you, it's nice. It's nice to have the deck back. But this here is a beautiful view from the corner and in the shade. So this is nice. I'm really excited to get this all finished and have all of this extra space here so that I can just add more grow space. I'm probably going to put one of those lean-to greenhouses up here, about 10 feet long. So basically this deck is, what I'm standing on here is 10 feet long, and it's about 8 feet wide. So it's going to be good, you know. I'm excited. But here's a sneak preview for you. Anyways, talk to you soon. Prep Rebel out.